In this video, I'm going to give you 3 exercises that are going to help fix your knee pain that are about 100 times more effective than massage. Why isn't massage actually helping or fixing your knee pain? As you continue to get a massage every few weeks, it gives you a bit of short-term pain relief because the person is rubbing your quadricep muscle above your knee or your hamstring, muscles around the knee. You feel good for a few days or a few weeks, and you have to keep going round and round in circles and going back for a massage. Because one of the main issues with knee pain is a lack of strength and stability around the knee and a lack of mobility as well. Getting a massage isn't improving your strength and it's not improving your mobility. And that's why you're only getting short-term pain relief and you have to keep going back. Whereas if you do some exercises that improve your mobility and improve your strength, this will actually provide you with long-term pain relief. So the first exercise is a foam roller bridge. You're going to lie on your back, grab a foam roller, slight tuck of your pelvis. So you're going to push your lower back flat into the floor, put your feet flat on the foam roller. And from here, you're going to lift your hips about 1 centimeter off the floor. In this position, you should feel your hamstrings and a little bit of your calves working really, really hard. Start off with the double leg bridge and hold this for 3 to 4 sets of 45 seconds. Once this becomes easy, then you can move on to a single leg foam roller bridge, which is exactly the same, just on one leg. The next exercise is a single leg wall sit. Set up with your back next to a wall, start nice and high on the wall if your knee pain is quite irritable, and you're simply going to hold this position for 45 seconds. You want to make sure when you're doing the exercise that your pain score isn't going above a 3 out of 10. If you imagine a scale of 0 to 10, and 10 was the max pain imaginable, like you're being hit by a car or something, and 0 was no pain, you want to stay within that 0 to 3 out of 10 pain score range. So a little bit of pain is okay. As you move down the wall, you will increase the amount of knee bend, which will make the exercise more challenging. Only do this every week or every few weeks as you get stronger and as your pain decreases. Hold this for 45 seconds on each side for 3 to 4 sets. The final exercise is looking at some mobility. This is a pronation exercise. Pronation is just the inward roll of your foot. And as that happens, we'll also get some knee bend. So you're going to set up in this staggered stance, bend that knee and encourage some forward movement. Not all the way over your toes because that will be quite painful, just a small amount of knee bend. And I want you to feel the foot pressure change from the outside of your foot and your heel when your knee is straight to the middle of your foot and the inside of your foot as you bend that knee. Take that pain score guidance into account, keep it within that 0 to 3 out of 10 pain score range. Don't fight that tension with more tension. Just go into a range that you're comfortable, work into that, and then over a few weeks, a few months, increase that range so you get more and more knee bend. Go through 2 to 3 sets of 20 reps on this exercise. By the way, if you're interested in working with me one-to-one to help fix your knee pain, just check out the top link down below. Or if you want some free advice that's going to change the way you think about injuries, check out the second link.